one question. Answer with your gut, not your mouth. If your income stopped right now, no job, no salary, how many days could you survive on what you've saved? That number you just felt, that's not bad luck. That's the whole problem. You were never taught to make money, only to collect it. Someone else built the system. You became a part inside it, working all month for a number someone else decided. 1936, the Great Depression. Everyone said nothing could be done. That year, F.C. Miniker wrote 1,000 Ways to Make $1,000. One line still holds 90 years later. Making money is not luck, it's a skill. A 7-year-old borrowed that book from his library. His name was Warren Buffett. He said it shaped how he thinks about money forever. Here are 7 principles from it, and the last one outweighs the rest combined. Everyone complains all day. Smart people ask one thing: will someone pay to make this pain disappear? The louder the complaint, the bigger the business hiding inside it. Most people build, then hope someone buys. Wrong order. Get the yes first. Take the advance. Build after the orders exist. An empty pocket never stopped a real customer. A job sells your hours, capped at 24 hours a day. A packaged skill has no ceiling. Record it once, sell it 1,000 times. Same effort, endless income. New customers take convincing. Old ones just need a reminder. Keep a list. Send one message next season. It's ready again. That habit builds a business that runs itself. The real obstacle is not money, it's ego. One man waits 5 years to start big. Another starts this week, small. A year later, he's the one with the farm. Chase only money, and it runs from you. Create real value, and it runs to you. Same price, same skill, but one person becomes unforgettable. That's the one who wins. A family lost everything in the Depression. Their planned business failed completely. Then, by accident, a crate of tomatoes became juice for the neighbors, and the neighbors kept coming back. The plan failed. The accident worked, and they gave it everything, fixing every failure, one by one, until it became their whole future. Rich people are not rich because they had a rare idea. They stayed with an ordinary one until it became extraordinary. Today, information is free. Tools are free. The road is open. If your pocket is still empty, you're not out of options. You're waiting for the perfect time, and it never comes. Pick one principle, just one. Start today. If you've decided, comment right now. I'm starting.